when I was young, talaga wala talaga sa akin yung music. I was more of traditional visual artist. So mas ma-drawing ako, mas ma-painting ako, and I even got to tattooing like in college. So nagtatattoo ako noon. Pero siguro when it comes to music, um, may mga experience naman ako as a kid kasi yung dad ko, he was a he's a band trainer yung sa mga drum and lyre corps sa mga schools, and then I think one time when I was 8 years old, parang sinadjust niya na, uy, sali ko sa ano yan, sa school niyo, tapos ano, parang yung tinetrain niyang school din, parang magko-compete kami, ganun-ganun. I thought that was really fun. That was really, siguro, malaking part siya din sa akin kung bakit nagsimula yung parang appreciation ko for music. And then in high school naman, I enrolled in this curriculum na it specializes on arts. Pero nag-visual arts ako noon. I studied visual arts there. Pero yung mga tropa ko were all musicians. So, dun din, isa sa mga pinaka nag-ignite sa akin ng kagustuhan na matutunan kung paano tumugtog, paano mag-gitara, ganun. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy siya until the pandemic came na ayun talaga, I really got to sit down in my room, and then parang nag-try lang din ako magsulat, and then ayun, parang eventually I got into this community online na meron silang mga virtual na concert, mga ganun, or virtual na mga jammings. And then I really fell in love with that. And then, ayun, doon na siya nagtuloy-tuloy hanggang sa bumalik sa medyo normal, nagkaroon ng new normal kasi I was still studying after nung around 2021, 2022. And then I still kept on parang doing covers, ganun, online. Hanggang sa, ayun, na-discover na talaga ako nung sa TikTok ng A&R ng Viva.
Any album name in mind?
Album name?
In mind? Future?
Ah,
Ano ba? Wala pang album to. Lahat puro singles pa lang.
yeah, I've released singles pa na.
So do you have album in mind? Pangalan ng album in mind?
Hindi ko pa siya napag-iisipan eh. Like, parang wala pa akong naiisip na album name. Pero, am I going to release an album soon? Hindi ko pa alam. I'm not sure. Pero ayun. Basta marami ako sinusulat this year.